Hello everyone. This is Dr. Vivek from Department of Pharmacy, Government Polytechnic, Jalgaon. Is come up with the very important topic related to the labeling and packaging, that is labeling and packaging of cosmetics. Last time we were already seen about the labeling and packaging of the drugs. Now this complete video is on cosmetics. So the learning outcome of this today's video is to, after watching this particular video, you will be able to interpret the label on the cosmetic package and the container. So let us see the details under the Drug and Cosmetic Act, the packaging and labeling of cosmetics. First of all, we need to see the cosmetic should be labeled and packed in the prescribed manner. Without the prescribed manner, we cannot understand what is the necessity of the labeling and what are the instruction that is related to how to use and how to apply on the human skin. So this is related to the cosmetics, and that's why the labeling and packaging of that particular container is very necessary. Let us see one by one both the inner and outer label, means inner and outer label. Outer generally labels is on curtains and the inner's label is on container specifically. So let us see, first of all, the inner and the outer label, the name of the cosmetic should be there. Then in both the inner and outer label, the name of the manufacturer and the address of the manufacturer of that particular cosmetic. Then if suppose there is a very small container or small size container, you should only mention, or the manufacturer should only mention the place of the manufacture. So here we can see the representation of the different containers of the cosmetics generally used by the manufacturer of the cosmetics. So this is for your understanding. You can see from that of the small container up to the cylindrical container and large container, you can see that the difference between the inner and outer container also through this image. Now on the outer label specifically, so on the outer label will be the declaration of net content. So declaration of net content is necessary for the understanding of the customer. So what kind of the different net contents are present in the preparation of that particular cosmetics. So in that first point is that weight for solid and semi-solid, means what are the different solid and semi-solid use, the weight for that is to be mentioned on the declaration of the net content. So net content of fluid measure for liquid, means in a fluid, that is in ml, milliliter, liter, whatever that you should have to be mentioned over there. Then on the label, combined with numerical count if the content is subdivided. So this is the net content declaration should be there. Then the declaration of the net content is not necessary or not appear on the which preparation, generally the package of perfume, toilet water, this kind of the particular packaging of the cosmetics of the perfume and the toilet water, there is no necessity to appear the declaration of the net content, as well as the net content does not exceed 60 ml or solid or semi-solid related to that particular 60 mg, means more than that or not more than that of the 60 ml container, the net content does not appear on that particular outer label of the container or outer label of the cosmetics. Now here we are talking about the outer label specifically, and that's why these all are the instruction which is related to the outer label. Let us see on the inner label where a hazard exists. So for the security reason, these are the necessity of the labeling on the container of the cosmetic. So let us see adequate direction for safe use, yeah, which is must onto the label of the cosmetic. Then any warning, caution or a special direction required to be observed by the consumer. Yes, that is if specific warning and caution which is very important with respect to the consumer utilization, then you should have to be, the manufacturer should have to be mentioned this to be on the inner label. Then a statement of the names and adequate quantities of ingredient that are hazardous or poisonous, means all the statements of the names and quantities which is very hazardous, that is specifically mentioned in the caution and the warning type of the precaution onto the inner label. Then a distinctive batch number. If there is a distinctive batch number, then out of that the sum of the batch is available for the inspection, and the figures representing the batch number being preceded by the letter B, and provided that this clause shall not be applied to any in solid or a semi-solid state, and 25 ml milliliter or a less if the cosmetic is in a liquid state. So this is the very important safety use related or hazard related information on the inner label of the cosmetic. So let us talk about the labeling of hair dyes containing dyes pigment and colors. So that labeling of hair dyes consists of the paraphenylene diamine. Let us see what are the specific cautions should be mentioned on the labels of the container of the cosmetics, either inside of the label or the outer label. So what are that cautions when that particular hair dye is containing paraphenylene kind of the paraphenyl diamine kind of the ingredient. So this product contains such ingredients which may cause skin irritation, that should have to be mentioned, that the caution as a caution on that particular label. Then secondly, if you should have to perform the hypersensitivity test carried out, as such may cause blindness. So for that purpose, these are the caution that should be on the label, so that the consumer can understand these are the cautions related to that hair dyes. So for that purpose, there is a one preliminary test as a hypersensitivity test. So let us see the procedure for that. If suppose you have to clean, you should have to clean a small area of the skin, then apply hair dyes preparation on that particular skin and allow it to dry for 24 hours. So after 24 hours, you should have to wash it with the help of soap and water and see either there will be the any kind of the hypersensitivity reaction or not. If suppose not, then that particular preparation is safe for you. So this is the kind of the labeling is to be on the hair dyes kind of the preparation, and which contain paraphenylene diamine. So for that purpose, this is the caution. Now, thank you very much for your patience hearing. I thought whatever I explain you, you might have understood everything. Students, this is my YouTube channel, Dr. Vivek P. Kahale, and here is the specific WhatsApp and email number. So you should have to be subscribe the channel of YouTube, Dr. Vivek P. Kahale, if you like this video, and for your continuous update also, which is necessary to subscribe and click on bell icon. Thank you.